Hi guys, Jeffrey from TaT. Just want to announce our special prize for our November Share Your Solution or Uploading Good Scope Scan Data. So big thank you again to Burson's Equipment for this magnificent prize this month. This month, for anyone that shares a repair solution or uploads good scope scan data, goes into the draw for the AUTEL Advanced Diagnostic Scan Tool, as well as it includes the TPS, the tyre pressure monitoring integration. So great bit of kit, does a lot of the late model stuff, also from as a scan tool point of view, but also has that tyre pressure monitoring. Also, you can update these with further other features like the battery testing, ADAS, etc., oscilloscope if you want to. So a lot of power in these sort of machines. A big thank you to AUTEL and also Burson's Auto Equipment. So urge all our members, especially those regulars, get your repair solutions into us during November and or upload some good scope scan data. We'll do the drawing early December for this great prize. So get your entries in during November and hopefully you'll be the winner. See you next time.